Hello guys, welcome to Squad Ninja, and in this video we are going to talk about the most basic types of plugin required for your blog. See, there are thousands of plugins which you can use for your WordPress blog, but using so many plugins may increase your loading time and your site may increase your loading time and your site can be slow, so it can affect your SEO. So I will recommend you to use only the most essential plugins which are most essential, and without those plugins you can't go further. So in this video I'm going to talk about the most basic plugins which you required for your WordPress blog. So let's see which are those plugins. See, the first basic and most essential plugin is Yoast SEO. Basically, there are two SEO plugins. First one is Yoast SEO, and second one is All-in-One SEO. But Yoast SEO is the most popular one with 1 million plus active installations. And Yoast SEO can handle all your SEO needs. See, how much what should be your target keyword, what should be the length of your article, what should be how your images are optimized or not, and your article is readable or not. So there are so many things which this only SEO plugin can do, and in this you can set which post and uh, which post and pages you want to show to you the user, which post you want to index, which content you don't want to index. So there are plenty of things which you can do with your Yoast SEO plugin. There are thousands of words long article on Yoast SEO, so it can handle all your SEO needs. So this is the most essential kind of plugin for your SEO requirements. You can also install all-in-one SEO, but I would recommend you to go with Yoast SEO. And if you have any query about the Yoast SEO, you can ask me in the comment section. And next essential plugin is Contact Form 7. See, for every site there should be a contact us page that increase the authenticity of the website. And to create the contact form 7 is the most popular kind of plugin. You can install any kind of plugin for creating contact form, but this is the most popular one, so I am recommending you this. But you can install any contact form plugin for your WordPress website. The next essential kind of plugin is W3 Total Cache. See, for handling all your cache needs and for the faster loading of your pages, W3 Total Cache is the most popular plugin. It has 1+ million active installations, and you can optimize all everything with this W3 Total Cache. So this you can install this and do the settings as your requirement. Next is the image optimization plugin, that is TinyPNG. See, images may slow down your website to the larger extent. So for the optimization of images, you should install a plugin, that is TinyPNG, and it will compress your JPG and PNG images. And you can also optimize your images with some online tools or with Photoshop as well. So if you can do that, and no need to use this plugin. But if you can't do that, you should install this compress JPG and PNG images. There are other kind of plugins as well for the compression of the images, but I am using this, so you can also use the TinyPNG. Next is the most essential plugin, which is the back plugin. See, your website may cause any problem and all your data may be lost. So your website should have a backup plugin. So Updraft is the most popular type of backup plugin. With this, you can save all your content data to the Dropbox, Google Drive, and some other spaces as well. So with the Updraft, you can backup your website and restore your website when there is some issue with your website. So these are the 5 most basic essential kind of plugin. See, there is a plugin for everything in WordPress. So you can install any kind of plugin and use that, but I will recommend you to keep it to minimum. And if you have some particular kind of task you want to do with the help of plugin, and you are not finding that plugin, you can ask me that in the comment section. And which kind of plugin from these 5 plugins you are using, you can also put that into the comment section. And for the more videos on WordPress plugins and regarding blogging, affiliate marketing, YouTube marketing, Facebook marketing, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.